Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Alpha Zone Relationship Series. I'm thrilled to have you here for our 10th and final video. Throughout this series, we've delved deep into various aspects of relationships, and today, we're tackling a topic that holds immense significance: rebuilding strained relationships. We all know that relationships can face rough patches. Whether it's with a partner, family member, or friend, conflicts are a natural part of any bond. What truly matters is how we navigate these challenges and work towards healing and growth. So, let's jump right into it. Effective communication. One of the cornerstones of relationship rebuilding is effective communication. It's crucial to express your thoughts, feelings, and concerns openly and honestly, while also being a good listener. Active listening. Active listening involves giving your full attention, maintaining eye contact, and showing empathy towards the other person. This simple act can go a long way in making the other person feel understood. I statements. When discussing sensitive topics, use I statements instead of you statements. For example, say, "I feel hurt when," instead of, "You always do this." This approach reduces defensiveness and encourages a productive conversation. Rebuilding trust. Trust is the foundation of any relationship. Once it's damaged, rebuilding it requires patience and consistent effort. Transparency. Being open and transparent about your actions and intentions helps rebuild trust. Be willing to answer questions and address concerns honestly. Setting boundaries. Both parties need to establish clear boundaries and expectations. Respecting these boundaries demonstrates commitment to positive change. Making positive changes. To truly mend a strained relationship, both parties should be willing to make positive changes. Self-reflection. Take time to reflect on your own behaviors and contributions to the conflict. Acknowledging your mistakes is the first step toward making positive changes. Apologize sincerely. A sincere apology can work wonders. Acknowledge the hurt you've caused, express remorse, and outline the steps you're taking to prevent similar issues in the future. Growth mindset. Approach the rebuilding process with a growth mindset. Be open to learning and evolving together. Moving forward. As we wrap up our Alpha Zone Relationship Series, remember that rebuilding a strained relationship is a journey. It takes time, effort, and commitment from both sides. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and celebrate the small victories along the way. This reinforces the idea that positive change is possible. Seek professional help. In some cases, seeking the guidance of a therapist or counselor can provide valuable insights and techniques for rebuilding relationships. Thank you for joining us throughout this relationship series journey. Remember, relationships are complex and ever-evolving, but with dedication and the right approach, you can mend even the most strained bonds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with those who might benefit. And as always, stay tuned for more empowering content right here on Alpha Zone. Wishing you all healthy, strong, and thriving relationships. Until next time.